In the theme of how we operate here at Pardot Ninja and out in the clouds generally, complete transparency, we have lost some Pardot customers to competitors for the reason of not having a really scalable way of repeatedly cloning many assets associated to a campaign. Amazing news, the most recent release has provided that functionality. We're going to show you in this video how to very easily clone a bunch of assets that are associated to a particular campaign instead of having to go in like you used to and clone each individually and relink them to a new one. So I hope you enjoyed this one. It's a big upgrade.
Pardot Ninja.
Hey everyone, today we are looking at a brand new feature that's come out in the most recent Pardot release, which allows you to clone campaigns with its related assets. So if you're doing a campaign that you know works quite well, and you might be doing it every quarter and repeating it, or it might be seasonal or whatever it might be, and you know that those assets, you know, whether it be landing pages, forms, emails, etc., have worked quite well for you. Even custom redirects as well is a great use case. You can bring them over without having to go and manually create each one and then attach them to that campaign. This has been a feature that's been asked for quite a while, so we're really happy that it's come out. So what we're going to do here is, this is a campaign that we've got. You can see we've created an extra campaign member status here that we want to bring across. We've attached a form, we've attached a custom redirect, and we want to bring them all across. So like I said, historically, if we just went and cloned this campaign, we'd then have to go into Pardot, create, well, once we clone that campaign, we have to create another member status again. We have to go into Pardot, clone this form again, attach it to the new campaign, create a new custom redirect, attach it to the new campaign, and any other assets that needed to be in there would need to be done manually. But with this new feature, we can come across, clone with related, select the assets that we want to bring across, name our campaign, put whatever we want in there, whether it be a new budget, start and end date, etc. Save it. You can see it takes a little bit longer because it's creating new versions of all the assets. So now we've got the new campaign, and you can see that this particular form has got date stamps. So because we've actually done this twice, you can see that there are actually two stamps here showing the 2 times that it's been cloned. Same with the custom redirect, it's come over twice. So what we've got here is a brand new set of assets with their own names, and obviously if you wanted to, you can go and tidy up those names to align them, but at least you're not having to do all those other clicks that you'd be normally doing. So here you've spun up a brand new campaign with your assets, and you're pretty much ready to go. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you really enjoy this feature and get a lot of use out of it. Cheers.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that episode. We hope you got a lot of value out of it. Please don't forget to subscribe and engage with the content, because a lot of it is driven by you guys, the user. So we need to know your feedback. Cheers.